Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app icons disappeared from home screen in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S22 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your app's icons are disappeared from your home screen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to check, because sometimes it might be that your apps are automatically moved to your app drawer um, from your home screen. You just have to swipe up. You might see your app drawer here, and you have to check if your apps are here or not. If you might see that your apps are not here and not in your home screen, so let's see how can you fix this. You just have to simply go to settings app. Once you are in settings, the very first thing I recommend before you do anything, you have to make a restart with your phone, because sometimes it might be there will be any software glitch or any technical issue, your home screen doesn't load as well or your apps doesn't load as well. So you can try to make a restart to fix this issue. Just scroll on control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, click on this icon again to have a restart with your phone. After restart, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings tab here, scroll down, go to accounts and backup, click on Samsung Cloud, and here it will open in your Samsung Cloud app. You just have to wait for a few seconds. Now just scroll down, click on restore from backup here, and here just click on your device, and here just unselect all, select only apps and home screen. And once you are done, just click this restore button, then click yes, and then click install. It will automatically install your missing apps from your home screen, and it will automatically restore them. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue, and after this you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.